Dear students, in this session we'll discuss about NCERT Class 9 Chapter. Dear students, in this session we'll discuss about NCERT Class 9 Chapter 2 Polynomials Part 4. We'll discuss about some problems here. Factorize the following: 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6a b square. This we need to factorize. Okay, it is having two cubic terms and a square b term and one ab square. It is exactly matching with the identity a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square. That is equal to a plus b the whole cube. So, let me identify what is a here. So, in place of a cube, we have 8a cube. So, 8a cube equal to a cube. So, this can be written as 2a the whole cube, that is equal to a cube. That means in place of a, we have 2a. Here, b cube equal to b cube only. So, it is matching exactly. So, we can rewrite as 2a the whole cube plus b cube plus 3 times 2a square b plus 3 times. That means in place of a, we have to substitute 2a, and in place of b, we have to write b itself. So, in the last term, 3 times. In place of a, we have to write 2a and 1b square. So, 2a cube is nothing but 8a cube plus b cube. This term is 6. 2 square is there. 2 is inside the square. So, 2 square become 4. 4 3s are 12. So, plus 12a square b. And here also, here 2 is outside, 2 is not having square, 3 2s are 6. So, plus 6a b square. So, it is exactly matching with the given problem. So, it is in this format. This can be written as a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square become a plus b the whole cube. That means 2a plus b the whole cube. So, the factors, we need to factorize this polynomial so that the factors are, the factors are 2a plus b into 2a plus b and again 2a plus b the whole cube. Next one, 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6a b square. There also cube term is there, a square b, ab square. So, this is also maybe like a minus b the whole cube. For a minus b the whole cube, we have a cube, b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So, a cube plus b cube minus b cube. It is having minus identity, so it may be a minus b the whole cube format. A minus b the whole cube is nothing but a cube minus b cube plus alternate sign, we have to take positive and negative. So, minus 3a square b plus 3a b square. So, here, according to our given format, in place of a cube, we have 8a cube. Minus 3a square b can be this one, minus 12a square b plus 6a b square minus b cube. This is our given problem. So, from this, we need to identify what is a, what is b. Then we can factorize. So, we'll take cubic terms. So, 8a cube is having in place of a cube. So 8a cube, okay, in place of a cube. This can be written as 2a the whole cube, that is equal to a cube. That means in place of a we have 2a. So we have to write in place of a 2a minus b cube. In place of b cube we have b cube itself. So in place of b we have to write b itself. So 2a minus b the whole cube. So the factors of this polynomial are, the factors are 2a minus b into 2a minus b into 2a minus b. Next problem. 64a cube minus 27b cube minus 144a square b plus 108ab square. Here also a cube, b cube, a square b, ab square. So this may be in the form of a cube it is having minus in between. So the b cube can be minus b cube. So a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So it is in this format. This identity is a minus b the whole cube. So now let me find out that we match with the identity our given problem. So 64 a cube and cube will be, b cube will be minus 27 b cube, and this negative term is this one. So minus 144 a square b plus 108 a b square. So in place of a cube we have 64 a cube. So 64 a cube is a cube. This can be written as 4a the whole cube, that is equal to a cube. So in place of a we have 4a. The same way the another cubic term will be 27b cube, that is in place of b cube. This can be written as 3b the whole cube, that is equal to b cube. So we identify what is a, what is b. So let me substitute here. This is nothing but 4a minus 3b the whole cube. So that the factors are (4a minus 3b) into 4a minus 3b into 4a minus 3b. Next problem. We need to factorize this given polynomial. So let me identify what format it is. It is having only one variable, but these two terms are looking like cubic terms. This 27 can be written as 3 cube, 125 can be written as 5 cube. So if we write like this, 3 cube minus 5a the whole cube minus 135a plus 225 a square. If we keep those things as it is, if we write the identity, a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square. This is of the form a minus b the whole cube. So in place of a we have 3 and in place of b we have 5a. So if we match it, 3 cube minus 5a the whole cube minus 135a plus 225a square. So that in place of a we have 3, in place of b we have 5a. So this is of the form 3 minus 5a the whole cube. So the factors are 3 minus 5a into 3 minus 5a into 3 minus 5a. So this polynomial we need to factorize. So let's identify which identity it is following. So this first term is a cubic term. Same way this also a cubic term. That means 6 cube is 216 and 27 is nothing but 3 cube. 3 cube is 27. So if we write here 3p the whole cube minus 1 by 6 the whole cube. So this is a cube b cube minus 3a square b. 3 into a square 3p the whole square into b is 1 by 6 plus 3a. In place of a we have to substitute 3p and in place of b we have to write 1 by 6. That is our a is 3p and b is 1 by 6. So if we substitute here, we are getting this one. So if we cancel this 6 and the 3 we can cancel. Sorry, this is square, so we'll cancel the outside 3. So we'll get 3 square p and this 6 and 3 also we can cancel. So that we are getting 3p the whole cube minus 1 by 6 the whole cube. So minus this minus term let me write here. So 3p square, that means and divided by 2 is there. So 9 by 2 p square and in this term this 3 and 6 we have cancelled. So 3 by 2 we will get. So in this term 2 3's we have, here 2 6 we have. So these 2 3's and 2 6 we can cancel. So that we will get 2 2's in the denominator because it is having square. That is nothing but 3 into 3 divided by 6 into 6. So this will go 2 times, this will go 2 times. Ultimately we will get 1 by 4. So plus 1 by 4 p. This is only our given terms. And the last term is this one. Let me write here itself minus 1 by 6 the whole cube. So a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So this is our identity. So it is like a minus b the whole cube format. So our a is 3p and b is 1 by 6. So a minus b the whole cube. So our factors are 3p minus 1 by 6 into 3p minus 1 by 6 into 3p minus 1 by 6. Next one, verify x cube plus y cube equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. So here, if we multiply these two factors, we need to get this polynomial. So let me multiply this one. So with x we need to multiply this polynomial plus y also we need to multiply this. So x times x square minus xy plus y square. Same way plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. If we multiply, we will get x cube minus x square y plus x y square. That means this x we are multiplying with all the terms. Same way plus y we are multiplying. So plus x square y minus x y square plus y cube. So minus x square y plus x square y will get cancelled. Plus x y square minus x y square will get cancelled. At last we will get x cube plus y cube. So we got now our LHS. We have taken RHS, we multiplied these two, at last we got RHS. So it has been verified. Next one, x cube minus y cube equal to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. This we need to verify. So for this, we have to multiply with x this polynomial minus y into this polynomial. So x times x square plus xy plus y square minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. So if you multiply x cube plus x square y plus x y square. That means with x you are multiplying all these three terms. So x into y, here on x we are bringing. So x into x become x square y. Here y square is there, we are multiplying x, so we will get xy square. And in the second bracket, we are multiplying this minus y. So we need to multiply minus y here. So minus y into x square become minus, always we will try to write x term first. So minus x square y. Next term, minus into plus is minus x, here 1y, inside 1y, so we will get y square. The last term, plus into minus minus, y into y square become y cube. So minus x square y plus x square y will get cancelled, plus xy square minus xy square will get cancelled. We will get x cube minus y cube. We got our RHS. So this has been verified. Next one, factorize each of the following using question number 9. Question number 9, what we have done? We got two identities, that is x cube plus y cube equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. And the same way, x cube minus y cube equal to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Okay. So the given problem is like this identity. So we have to substitute the x and y here so that we can get two factors of each. So first let me identify what is x, what is y. The first term is positive, so that is based on this first identity. So in place of x cube, we have 27 y cube. So this 27 can be written as 3. So 3 cube y cube is 3y the whole cube. And the second term is 124 can be written as 5 cube z cube. This is nothing but 5 z the whole cube. So this is in the form of 3y the whole cube minus 5 z the, plus 5 z the whole cube. So a cube plus b cube formate, a cube plus b cube, x cube plus y cube, like this. So this can be written as like this, okay. So we have to substitute x and y in this area. If we substitute for this first problem, so that x plus y, that means 3y plus 5z into x square, that means we will put square bracket because in my inside brackets are coming. So 3y square minus xy, x is 3y and y is 5z. And the last term is y square. So in place of y square, we have to write 5z the whole square. So only this brackets let me remove here, so that 3y plus 5z into 3y square, that is nothing but 9y square minus this term is 15yz, this term is plus 25z square. So we have factorized this first polynomial. So let me factorize the second polynomial. So the second polynomial is, it is having negative sign and the first one also cube, second one also cube. So let's identify what is x, what is y. So this 343 is nothing but 7 cube. So this can be in the form of 64 is 4 cube and the 343 is 7 cube. So if we substitute here 4m the whole cube minus 7n the whole cube. So if we substitute in this identity, it is having negative sign. So it will match exactly the second identity. So that 4m minus 7n. It is our first bracket, first factor. And the second factor will be x square. That means 4m the whole square plus 4m into 7n. That means xy term plus 7n the whole square. So what will we get? 4m minus 7n times this 4m square become 4 square is 16. So 16m square plus, because it is having everything positive only, 4 sevens are 28mn plus 7 sevens are 49n square. So we have two factors. So we factorized this polynomial, second polynomial also we have been factorized. Next problem, we need to factorize this given polynomial. This polynomial is having 3 cubic terms and one common term of 3 terms, all x, y, z, all 3 terms combined here. So it may be of the form x cube plus y cube plus z cube plus, minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z minus xy minus yz minus zx. In this format it may be. So let we substitute and find out what is x, what is y, what is z here. So in place of x cube we have 27x cube. So this can be written as 3x the whole cube plus y cube plus z cube. This is our given 3 terms. So it is matching exactly with y and z, and in place of x we have 3x. So if we substitute this minus 3 into, in place of x we have to write 3x, and y and z is same as it is. So that we have x is 3x, y is y itself, z is z itself. Let me substitute in the right hand side. So the identity is x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So this is 3x the whole cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3 into 3x into yz. That is nothing but x is 3x. So let me substitute in the identity so that we will get 2 factors. We need to factorize this given polynomial. The left hand side is the given format. So right hand side if we substitute we will get 2 factors of this polynomial. So the first factors are x plus y plus z. So if we substitute x value, y value, z value, we will get the first factor. So x is 3x plus y plus z. And the next factor will be x square. That means 3x the whole square. So we have inner brackets, we'll put square bracket. Plus y is y itself and z also z itself. So y square plus z square minus xy. X is 3x and y is y itself. Minus yz. Y and z are same as it is. Minus zx. Z into x is 3x. So we can write as 3zx. So only the first term we need to remove the bracket. So the 3x plus y plus z is our first factor. And the second factor will be, this 3 square can be written as 9. So 9x square plus y square plus z square minus 3xy minus yz minus 3xz. This 3 is coming because of this x term is having multiples of 3. So, only the 3 we are getting. This 2 terms only we are multiplying with x. This term is having y and z only. So, yz is yz itself. It is not having 3. So, 3 is not getting here. So, the factors of this given polynomial are these two. Next question. X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to half of x plus y plus z into x minus y the whole square plus y minus z the whole square plus z minus x the whole square. This we need to verify. So, we'll take the right hand side. If we multiply, we will get the left hand side. So, let me multiply this product so that before that, let me clear the inner bracket. So, this half of x plus y plus z will keep as it is. So, we'll multiply the inner brackets only. The first term is x minus y the whole square. It is x square plus y square minus 2xy. Second one is y square plus z square minus 2yz. Sorry. The last term is plus z square plus x square minus 2xz. So, we have half of x plus y plus z into x square plus y square. So, we have 2x square. So, 2x square, 2y square. In the same way, z also 2z. So, plus 2z square minus 2xy minus 2xy minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2xz. So, if you see inside the bracket, all the terms are having 2. So, we can take 2 outside first. So, the 2 if we take, the 2 and the denominator 2 will get cancelled. So, there is no denominator. It is a product of x plus y plus z into this bracket. So, x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay. This identity we know very well already. In the previous problem we have substituted and did problems also. So that x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx can be written as x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. If you multiply these two also, we will get this one. Next one. If x plus y plus z equal to 0, show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. So, we know very well that this identity like x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So, if x plus y plus z equal to 0, so 0 times this fully becomes 0. So, the right hand side is 0, only left hand side is left over. So, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to 0. If you bring this 3xy to the another side, right hand side, it will get positive sign. So, x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. This negative 3xyz if you bring here, it will get positive 3xyz. So, we have proved that x cube plus y cube z cube equal to 3xyz. Next problem. Without actually calculating the cubes, find the value of each of the following. It is having x cube plus y cube plus z cube. So, if it is having 3 cubic terms, it will match the identity x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xy z equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So, first we will find out what is x plus y plus z. It is x cube, y cube, z cube. So, let me find out what is x plus y plus z. So, x plus y plus z is nothing but minus 12 plus 7 plus 5. Minus 12, 7 plus 5 is 12, so it will become 0. So, x plus y plus z is 0. So, 0 times everything is 0. So, the right hand side is 0. Only the layer of left hand side we have to substitute and we have to evaluate. So, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to 0. That means x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to 0. This minus 3xyz if we bring here, x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to plus 3xyz. We need to find out x cube plus y cube plus z cube only. That is exactly equal to 3xyz. So, only we need to calculate 3 times x. In place of x we have minus 12. In place of y we have 7. In place of z we have 5. We need to multiply only these numbers for getting the value of this. Why? Because x plus y plus z is getting 0. So, this right hand side fully becomes 0. And in the left hand side, we have x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to 0. This minus 3xyz if we bring to the right hand side, we will get x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. We need to find out this only. Minus 12 cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube. Okay, so in place of x, y, z, we have to substitute, that's it. So, this is exactly equal to this. So, instead of calculating this cube, we need to multiply all these. Okay, so, if you multiply 12 5s are 60. 60 times 3 is 18. 180 times 7. We have to multiply by 7. 8 7s are 56. 12. So, 1260. One negative sign is there. So, minus 1260 is our answer. Next problem, 28 cube plus minus 15 cube plus minus 13 cube. It is having a cube plus b cube plus c cube. So, it is of the form a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus AB minus BC minus CA. So, it will identify what is A plus B plus C first term. So, A is 28 minus 15 minus 13. So, 28 minus 15 minus 13 become minus 28. So, it is 0. So, A plus B plus C is 0. So, 0 times anything is 0. So, the right hand side fully become 0. We will get only the left hand side. So, let us substitute in the left hand side. So, it is of the form A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC equal to 0. Why? Because the right hand side fully become 0. So, this minus 3ABC if we bring to the right hand side, so that we will get A cube plus B cube plus C cube equal to 3ABC. So, So we have to get a cube plus b cube plus c cube only. Instead of doing all these cubes, only we can multiply this with 3. That itself enough. So that is nothing but 3 times 28 into b is minus 15 cube into c is minus 13 cube. So if we multiply all these numbers, we will get 16,380. Next problem. Give possible expressions for the length and the breadth of each of the following rectangles in which their areas are given. Area is the product of length and the breadth. So length and breadth are its factors. So one of the factor, it is a quadratic equation. So one of the factor is its length, another factor is its breadth. So let me factorize this given polynomial. It is a quadratic polynomial, ax square plus bx plus c. That format it is there. So we can go with the middle term split up format. We'll split up the middle term. So for this, we have to multiply the a and c, last two terms. So the 25 times 12 will be 300 and the middle term is minus 35. So we have to get the factors of 300. Is first table 300 times, second table 150 times, third table 100 times, fourth table 75 times, fifth table 60 times, sixth table 50 times we will get, 6 5s are 30, 10th table 30 times and 15th table 20 times. Why? Because in between these tables, after 10th table, 11, 12, 13, 14th tables, 300 will not come. After 15th table, 16, 17, 18, 19th table, it will not come. Next, it will come to 20th table only. 20 we have already. So, only these are all its factors. So, among this, we have to choose a pair. So, this product is positive sign. Definitely, both will get same sign, either positive or negative. And this answer is having sum or difference is negative sign. So, definitely both will get negative sign. That means we need to add two of these numbers. So, the total should be 35. So, if we take 15 and 20, the total is 35. So, we can rewrite as 20 and 15. If we substitute here, so that 25 a square minus 20a minus 15a minus 35. Here we can take 5a outside. So, we will get 5a minus 4. Here both will come in fifth table. So, minus 5 if we take outside. So, among these two, minus is common. And 15 and 12 we will get 3 common. So, 3 if we take outside, 5a minus 3 we have taken outside, we will go 4 times. So, inside the bracket both also having 5a minus 4. So, 5a minus 4 is common. If we take outside, the remaining will be 5a minus 3. So, the factors are 5a minus 4 into 5a minus 3. So, one can be as length, another can be as breadth. So, like this we can solve the next problem also. Plus 13y and this 13y can be written as 35y square. Instead of 13y, we can write as plus 28y minus 15y. So, minus 15y plus 28y minus 12. So among these two, we can take 5 as the factor. 5 can take common outside. So 5y if we take outside, 7y minus, it will go 3 times. Plus, both will go in fourth table. So 4 if we take outside, 7y minus 3. In both of these terms, 7y minus 3 is common. So 7y minus 3 if we take outside, we will get 5y plus 4. So the factors are 7y minus 3 and 5y plus 4. So one can be width, another can be the breadth for this area. Next, volume. Volume is nothing but we have to get length, breadth, height. We need to get 3 factors. So let me factorize this polynomial to get 3 factors. So among this we can take 3 as common outside and x also can take common outside. So 3x if we take, x is left over in the first term minus 4 in the next term. So the factors are 3 into 3 is one of the factor and x is the another factor and x minus 4 is the another factor. So length, breadth and height. So the volume is this one. So we can get the dimensions of the cuboid will be, cuboid is length, breadth, height. So 3 can be the length and x can be the breadth and x minus 4 can be the breadth of this cuboid. So this also let me factorize and get 3 factors. So first everything will go in fourth table and one k is common. So 4k if we take outside, 3y square plus 2y, 4k we are taking outside, 3y square plus 2y minus 5. 5k, okay. So now we need to get 3 factors. So 4k, k is a constant. So 4, you can keep k along with 4. So 4k is one of the factor. Here we have one quadratic equation. So let me factorize this one. 3 5s are 15 minus 15 and this is 2. So 3 5s are 15. So 5 3s are 15. 5 minus 3 is 2. This is negative and here it is positive. So greater number sign is positive. We can take like this. So 4k into 3y square minus 3y plus 5y minus 5. So 4k times, here if we take 3y common outside, we will get y minus 1. In the next 2 terms, if we take 5 common outside, we will get y minus 1. So y minus 1 is common in both of these terms. So 4k times y minus 1, if we take common outside, we will get 3y in the first term plus 5 in the next term. So the factors are 4k is one of the factor, y minus 1 is the another factor, 3y plus 5 is the another factor.